Hi guys, today you will learn that how we can create a polymer in the simulation environment. If you have seen my previous videos, you are familiar that I'm using Material Studio software for molecular simulation. I have already opened a project and named it as tutorial. You can, if you haven't opened it, you can just create a tutorial project. So what we will do today, we will learn that how we can build a polymer. So for beginners, I will show you that we have some repeat units or monomers available in the Material Studio library. What we will do, we can just go directly to the build polymers, homopolymers, and we can select what kind of polymer we want to build. We can also create new that I will tell you in future videos. But today we will see that how the already available repeat units, how we can polymerize them. So we can start with carbohydrates, and we have different available. So we can why not go for one for beta D glucose, that is cellulose. So the chain length I have decided is 10, or you can just go for 20 as well, number of chain one. So basically chain length is the number of repeat units. So you see here, I have built a polymer of cellulose. If I change the display so that you can see it clearly what kind of atoms are here, we all know that hydrogen is depicted by white color, gray is for carbon, red is for oxygen. So in this we have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And we all know that C6H12O5 is the monomer. You can also see the number of atoms from the properties is a physical system, and that has a chemical formula here. And if you want to see the repeat unit, this is the name that we have selected from in build library. This is a linear chain, and chain length is 20 that we are selecting. So we can know the total atoms and all that. Okay, let's go for other polymers. Why not choose a different this time? So we have very huge variety of polymers available. Why not go for siloxanes and dimethyl? Okay, we are selecting dimethyl siloxane, and now we are building it. So you will see a very beautiful molecule here. This polymer is like a ring. It's like a cage. If anybody of you has studied that there are different varieties of siloxane oligomers available. Some are in cage, some are random, some are leather. The different types available. And they usually have alkyl groups attached. If you go in depth, you can see the bonding. Usually we select 8 repeat unit cage or 10 repeat units, and is 20 is not like let me show you. So this one is a better because you can clearly see, yeah, this one is looking actually pretty good. Nice. Okay, if you wanna build a polymer, For your for a molecule that you are constructing. Let's say I wanna build a polymer for carbon. I'm just drawing this for the sake of um, guiding you that how we can build a polymer with the monomer that we want to be transformed to be built for the polymer. So if I'm going to select this as a head atom and this as a tail atom, and we are deciding this as to use as a polymer. By the way, it's totally wrong that there is no such compound exist because there should be hydrogen atom attached. So that's how you can build a polymer of your choice. It's a very unrealistic polymer, but just for the sake of, because if I will start building up monomer, the actual monomer, it will take time. So, if you are using Material Studio, you want to build a polymer, then you can construct a structure of your own choice and then go to the build module and just set the repeat units, because every polymer has some repeat units that are repeating and to make a polymer. So you have to select that. The other option you can choose that is from the library that we will discuss later on. So it's a very short video just to show that how polymers are constructed in the Material Studio. Thank you.